Drawing is for page 3, number 5, this V block. I'm provided with the top and the front, no ISO, no right. And I'm trying to figure out how to create this. So I start with a basic cube again. I want to know the length, the height, and the depth. So we have 2.5 here for the depth, the length, 4 3/4, and a height of 2. So I'm going to start from the top, create a 2.5 by 4 3/4 and extrude up at 2. So in my part here, I have my sketch. I'll go normal 2. And I'm going to just draw a rectangle. And again, those dimensions for the length are 4 3/4, depth 2.5. So 4.75, 2.5, and then we will extrude this at a height of 2. Press Shift 7 so I can see it in the isometric state. So now looking back at this, I can see that there's like these little steps here. There's also these 30-degree cutouts. So I need to figure out what to cut out. I'm going to go with the 30-degree cutouts. I know they start from this edge in 1 3/8 and then goes 30. So 1 3/8 and 30. So I'll start my sketch here. And I'll draw a triangle. I'll make one and then mirror it to the other side. So now I dimension this. From this edge in 1 plus 3 divided by 8. Angle 30. I need the same thing on the opposite side, so I'll use a construction line. And then I'll take this information and mirror. Oh, chose the wrong line. Choose my construction line. And these 3. Now I would extrude, remove, through all. So this is starting to look close to this. Now I need to make these cutouts here. They're 7/8 wide. And from the base up, it's 1 inch, making it a cut of 1 inch. So I'll start my sketch along the top. I could have done it from the back, from the side. I'm just choosing to go from the top. And I'm going to make this rectangle a little bit larger. Dimension it at 7/8. This measurement doesn't really matter, but what I could do is select these 2 and then make them coincident so they're in line with one another. Now it's extrude or remove in 1 inch. I want this information on the other side. I could draw the same exact thing, but to remind you guys how to make planes, I'm going to use a midplane and mirror this 3-dimensionally. So I select 1 edge, select the other, have my plane. Now I'm going to choose mirror. It is a feature mirror. The feature I want to mirror is extrude 3. My mirror plane is plane 1. And if I press Shift 5, this looks exactly like this. Shift 1